Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. Rip Van Winkle by Washington Irving. Summary. Rip Van Winkle is a short story by American author Washington Irving and it was first published in 1819. It follows a very lazy Dutch American villager in colonial America named Rip Van Winkle who meets mysterious Dutchmen. A Dutchman is a male member of the Dutch people native to the Netherlands or descendant of one. He drinks their alcoholic drink and falls asleep for 20 years in the Catskill Mountains. When he wakes up, he realizes that the world has changed a lot and he has missed the American Revolution. It was published in the sketchbook of Geoffrey Crayon Gent. While the story is set in New York's Catskill Mountains, near where Irving later took up residence, he admitted, "When I wrote the story, I had never been on the Catskills." Rip Van Winkle is set in the years before and after the American Revolutionary War, in a village at the foot of New York's Catskill Mountains, where Rip Van Winkle lives. One autumn day, he wanders into the mountains with his dog, named Wolf, to escape his wife's nagging. He hears his name called out and sees a man wearing antiquated Dutch clothing carrying a keg, a small barrel, up the mountain needing help. Together, the man and wolf proceed to a hollow in which Rip discovers the source of thunderous noises, a group of ornately, complicatedly dressed, silent, bearded men, who are playing nine pins, a bowling game. Van Winkle does not ask who they are or how they know his name. He instead begins to drink some of the liquor and soon falls asleep. When he wakes up on the mountain, he discovers shocking changes. His musket gun is rotting and rusty, his beard is a foot long, and his dog is nowhere to be found. He returns to his village where he is unable to recognize anyone. He arrives just after an election and people ask him how he voted. Never having voted in his life, he says he is a faithful subject of King George III, unaware that the American Revolution has taken place and that America was now independent nation. He nearly gets himself into trouble with the people of the town until one elderly woman recognizes him as the long-lost Rip Van Winkle. He saw that King George's portrait on inn sign has been replaced with one of George Washington, the founding father and first president of the United States. He learned that most of his friends were killed fighting in the American Revolution. He is also disturbed to find another man called Rip Van Winkle, his son, now grown up. Van Winkle also discovers that his wife died some time ago, but is not saddened by the news. He learns that the men whom he met in the mountains are rumored to be ghosts of Henry Hudson's crew from his ship the Harvman. Hudson was an English explorer and navigator who explored parts of the Arctic Ocean and northeastern North America. Dutch settlers, especially children, sincerely believe in this strange tale, who say that whenever thunder is heard, the men in the mountains must be playing nine pins.